bond Caden into holding her like a baby while we drive. Ice report for Schofield. No ice. Fishing report for December. Overall, let's get the fishing report going then. If you were earlier on and made it out at the end of November, things were pretty hot. I was able to hit Jackson Reservoir, Schofield Reservoir,
yeah,
Deer Creek, and Strawberry.
Heck yeah, bud.
Kind of has some excerpts from that. Yes, I did catch fish every time I went out. However, at the end of November, I was having 25 fish days, and as of December 14th, I'm catching.
What do you think about the tiger, honey?
3 to 5 fish days
tiger?
At Schofield.
Wow, that's a nice tiger, bro.
Save your fishing capital, go Christmas shopping with your wife, and wait for the ice to come.
Heck yeah. Will you grab my net then? That's a big cutting. That's a good size.
Waking up early, Red Bull in my hand. Pack the truck with rods and flies. Got my best friend in the cab. Churros tail wagging, eyes bright as the dawn. We're heading to the water where the worries are gone. 100 days a year, that's all we need. Me and Churro chasing trout on the river's bend. Fly line dancing in the morning light. Reel them in slow, feel so right. Lakes or streams, don't matter where we go. With my dog by my side, that's the life I know. 100 days of heaven, casting away the blues. Just me and Churro, and a rainbow or two. Waiting in the current, feel the cold on my legs. Tying on a dry fly, watching Churro beg. He splashes in the shallows, chasing sticks I throw, while I'm waiting on a rise, letting that leader go. 100 days a year, that's all we need. Me and Churro chasing trout on the river's bend. Fire line dancing in the morning light. Reel them in slow, feel so right.
My God.
Lakes or streams, don't matter where we go. With
did you find a fish?
That's the life I know.
I'm proud of you, first of all. I'm proud of you, but I do want it. Can you give it to Dad?
Just me and
Can you give it to me? Drop it.
And a rainbow
Okay. I'm glad you
sometimes they bite, sometimes they don't. But it ain't about the catch, it's the time we own. Sunset on the water, fire crackling low. Churro curled up beside me, still in the show.
Oh yeah.
Back home to the grind, counting down the days, till we're loading up the truck in that old familiar way. No fancy gear or big crowds, just the simple truth. Fly fishing with my dog, yeah, that's my youth.
Oh gosh dang.
100 days a year,
Yeah, baby.
that's all we need.
Reeling in a big one, bro.
Me and Churro chasing trout, living wild and free.
Look at that fight.
Fly line dancing,
Dude, that is
one
a
more
fat
time.
fish. Holy cow, that's like
Reel 'em
5
in
pounds,
slow, Lord, it feels divine. 100 days of heaven, that's the deal we choose. Just me and Cheryl, and them old truck blues.
He's a runner, isn't he? He's a runner, he's a track star. Dude. Is that one a good one? Let's let her go. Ooh. Oh. Hey, Meta. Hey, Meta. All right. Let's get the fishing report for Deer Creek going, eh? So far, Cheryl's liking it. I think it's going to be productive.